How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another Hbar update for you. If we take a look at the daily time frame, we did get a nasty wick rejection yesterday. I want to see how this weekly candle actually closed. So yes, okay. So actually rejecting the area, it should really, as we can see, this is the 20 moving average on the weekly time frame. And as we're running into it as resistance, we should continue with our downtrend. That is what the moving average suggests. But what I'm going to do today is find the key levels of support Hbar needs to hold to have another go at trying to break through this 20 moving average. Otherwise, if it holds as resistance, it's actually a sign of a downtrend, which means lower lows beyond this point retracing back down to this low, potentially going lower than this. Because at the moment, guys, we're yet to invalidate on the daily time frame this descending triangle, or head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then in this right shoulder you've got another one as well, or the descending triangle over here, just like that. Our neckline is exactly that candle right there. This is the price of 5722. So 5722 is the area we need to reclaim. We can see on the daily time frame, this is exactly where we rejected. So I'm going to show you today what we can expect and what supports need to hold going forward. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share these updates, as over 50% of you aren't subscribed, and if you were, we'd be way past 6,000. So really appreciate if you could help us hit that in this next week. And this is the only metric that YouTube actually uses to push these videos out, which is liking and commenting, unfortunately, guys. But we can see the 1 fib level was reclaimed very briefly, tested the 786, which is also a support of another head and shoulders. So that would have been another neckline right there of this shoulder, head and shoulder over here. So we ran into that previous neckline, have been rejected with a nasty daily candle close. So this is a shooting star candlestick formation at a resistance. We saw the 20 weekly EMA was somewhere in and around there. So the expectation is a rejection after this point. So the 1 fib level is still resistance, technically speaking. This means that this is just a corrective rally. This is actually something I was suggesting back all the way down here, when we called for this pump. So yes, guys, we called for this pump ever since that point down there, not even on the 1618, below it, because I think it was the 786 fib right over here. From there to there, you can see it was this 786 fib as well as the 1618. So this is an area where we could bounce, but also the last Fibonacci target being met before a retracement back up to the 1 fib level, where if we hold it as resistance, there are high probability chances of doing something like this and retracing all the way back down to this low, finally meeting this descending triangle target. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below, so please do let me know what you think is going to happen with Hbar. What I'm going to do right now is show you the support. So as we of course started to climb through these levels, we should be flipping old resistance back into support. So we've reclaimed what we can see to the left is the 1.272 fib at 4920. So I know we've just rejected very close to that area, but it's saying that this is support. So if it is actually lost, guys, that is us coming back down to the 1414, which was also some support, previous resistance over here. What I would like to see is us not going beneath this area over here, because there's higher chances if we push through this, it all flips into resistance and we retrace back down to this low, looking for continuation lower, guys. So going forward, I need to see between 467 and 492 holding a support. I'm going to get you an exact support right now, and it might actually be lower than this. Let's just triple check. So yeah, it's actually exactly that level which I showed you. So in between the 1414 and the 1272 is where we need to find support. So I'm going to mark this out for you guys right now. I'm just going to go from this point here to this point here. Why am I ignoring that? Because we've already got the 20 right there. So that's why I'm choosing to ignore it. I'm going to even drag this down a little bit to hit that body candle close right there, and include that wick to the left as well. So this is the support that I see for Hbar going forward. I can scale down to the 4-hour time frame right now for you guys. Look at this in a bit closer detail. We can see at the 1272, which is one of those levels that we could bounce from, the 200 EMA is sitting there. We've just formed a golden cross, I think it's called, with the 55 and the 200 crossing over. So right now what we're seeing is price falling beneath the 24-hour, coming back down to test key levels of support. I need to see strong bullish candles from here. So any candlestick patterns over here, looking for that continuation higher. If we don't get that and we've pushed through this, flip it back into resistance, it means that the move up is a fake out, a corrective move up, looking for that continuation lower, which is something that we suggested all the way back down here. We obviously need to see further things going forward, like holding support, break the 1 fib level, then we're on a different path. We are actually going up higher, looking for a return eventually up to 7.5 cents. But this will take a long time, guys. It won't go in a straight line like this. A lot of things can change along the path. So that's why I'm trying to make make you aware of all the scenarios. You just need to react to the one that actually happened. So now down on the 1 hour time frame, we can see this a little bit clearer with the a bearish crossover here coming into the 200 EMA on the 1 hour that sits at about just beneath 5 cents. Yeah, so pretty much on 5 cents. So as that's a psychological level that we're currently above, I need to see that held going forward. You know, if we're holding 5 cents, if we scale back to the daily time frame, look to the left, structures giving us clues, push that to the left, yeah, we can see that this was a previous resistance. It is support over here previously, which we lost. So with this wick rejection off the 786 and the 1 fib level, it's vital that we hold these fibs and then push through, head up towards 6.2 to 6.5 cents. That is what would happen if we now manage to reclaim the 1 fib level again. So yeah, by reclaiming this, we're not actually invalidating the pattern until that moment over there at 573. So we need to reclaim 573. So do something like this, reclaim 573 and this golden pocket, and then we're not, I can't say 100% we're out of the woods, but it's looking very likely we'll start to head back up to the range highs. Why? Because this currently is our summer support from last year. It was support earlier this year, and we've of course lost it, so it should be resistance. That's why we've come into there and rejecting it, looking for that continuation lower, which is not completely out of the woods yet. And that's why we need to see a move that reclaims this level, confirms its support, and breaks through the golden pocket, which previously, measuring it from this pump over here, we should have never lost it in the first place, this area. So to get that expected path, which should have happened over here, to happen again, we need to reclaim those exact levels to get that original path. So that's it from me today. Don't forget that I have discounts on my course and mentorship, which only lasts until July 1st. If you still want to take action, you do get 3 months free in my Discord community. If you just want to take action on the Discord community, I'm going to play a little clip right now for you guys interested. Thank you. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You'll gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.